Oh my gosh, cousin. Y'all know I have to start the day with fresh, natural fruit juice. Oh my goodness, it's so good for your tummy health. Today we did pineapple, mango, strawberries, and orange. And I ain't gonna trick y'all. It take me a little bit to cut off the pineapple tops. I am actually collecting the tops and the bottoms to replant them. And so I don't have to keep buying them. So everything is organic. Yes, organic fruit. I'm going to put them in the pot. I did have a juicer, but my juicer died and it's expensive to buy a new one. So I'm showing you how you can still make natural fruit juice with the equipment you have. Now, don't mind me. I love my mangoes. Now, you're going to put it in 4 cups of water within this pot. I'm going to boil mine because it's much easier for my Family Dollar blender to break down the pineapple. This time we did cinnamon, some dark brown sugar, and some pure cane sugar. And we went ahead and put 5 of those mandarin oranges in there. We didn't boil those. I just peeled them and put them in first. Okay, and a little bit of the natural fruit juice that it was boiling in so we can get it to break down. Now, some of y'all in my comment sections on my other videos have some really negative things to say, like, why would you add sugar and why are you boiling the fruit? Simply because it's my business. And you can do whatever it is that you like, okay? But in the Nash house, this is what we do because this is what we like, okay? Now, the whole pot that we use to boil, we're going to use all the juices in there and everything and push it down in our sifter. And then we're going to scoop out all of the extra fruit trimmings. Look at that. Look at that, all them extra fruit trimmings, and have a nice cold glass of ice fresh fruit juice, cousin. Now let me know what other type of combo I should try as far as juice, and let me know if you will try this recipe too. Love you, cousin. Bye.